Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to connect Spotify to another device or phone. If you want to do a jamming or you just want to play the same music at the same time on different devices or phone, then I'll show you how it could be possible on Spotify. So first you have to just open the Spotify app and make sure you have the premium account because this option is only available on the premium account. You can get its free trial for 3 months and within that you can enjoy that feature. Now you have to simply click onto your profile and then you have to click on the last option which is for settings, and then you have to click on the option for the devices and apps. Here you will see this section other devices. You have to make sure the first two options are enabled. The first option is for the Spotify Connect controls and the second option is for the local device visibility. Both of these options are essential to be turned on so you can connect on Spotify to any other device or phone. Once you have connected, simply get back and simply play any song of your choice that you want to play. Then you will see this icon on the bottom. You have to click onto it. Now this one is for the connection. Through this option, you will be able to connect with other devices. So first you have to enable this auto invite people to connect to you while you're jamming. So just simply turn this option on by clicking onto that toggle. And once you have connected, you just have to simply click onto that Bluetooth icon and then you can select any other Bluetooth device and you will get connected. But there's another way to do it. So for that you have to click onto that option and then you will be able to invite someone. So to invite it, you can actually do it through the Bluetooth or maybe the options we have turned on earlier, that any person will be able to see it. The other way is that you will get this barcode or that scan code. You can just simply click onto it. It will pop up and any other user that wants to connect to your Spotify will have to scan it. And after that, both of the devices will get connected. Now, once you have connected to any other device or phone, you just have to simply play your music and the music will also be played on the other device. But you have to make sure that both of the devices or the phones have the Spotify Premium. Their Bluetooths are on and they have connected through the way I have shown you. So that's it. This is how you can connect Spotify to any other phone or device. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.